Hi, my loves. Oh, I am back. I actually had no intention of filming this video, but I got my order from Stitch Fix. What is Stitch Fix? Siri, what is Stitch Fix?
Here's what I found.
She didn't find much. Okay, so here's what the World Wide Web says about Stitch Fix. It's an online styling service that delivers a truly personalized shopping experience just for you. Fill out your style profile and a personal stylist will hand-pick pieces to fit your tastes, needs, and budget and mail them directly to your door. So that is what I did. If you would like to see what I got in this Stitch Fix, just keep watching. All right, y'all. Let's see what this is all about. So you pay a $20 styling fee. You do fill out a style profile and they send you whatever. So I have no clue. This could be pants, a dress, jewelry, a purse. I have no idea what's in this box. I'm opening it with you guys. Oh, hello. Hello, Autumn. Welcome to Stitch Fix. I can't wait for you to dive into your first fix. I focused on finding you some fun pieces to mix and match for a casual day or night out. To start off, I found you these Just USA frayed hem skinny jeans. Okay, I don't want to keep reading it because I want to see what's in here. Then there's a little thanks for letting us style you. And it gives you the price of everything. So here's the deal. You're charged a $20 styling fee. What you don't want to keep, you mail back to Stitch Fix. They give you this bag, this priority mail bag, to mail everything back in. What you do keep, you're charged for. So this tells me how much each item is, should I decide to keep it. What is this? Here's what you need to know. I don't need to know anything what's in this bag. Alright. Like Christmas. Alright, the first thing is this gray cardigan that I love. Alright, how much is this? What's the name brand? Evolution. Oh, hell no. $64. But it is really, really soft. Oh, and it's got this leather trim on the sleeves. $64. Let's lay this over here on the priority mail bag. Okay, what is next? Oh, that is a cute little shirt. Oh, it's got cotton sleeves, but this is more of a polyester blend. Kind of like that. What do y'all think? How much is this? $38. That's actually not bad, but still. Oh, so the $20 I already paid gets credited to what I do keep. So essentially that shirt could be $18. What do we got here? This looks like, oh, I see. Oh, I love this. So it's just like a black cotton shirt, but it's got this keyhole right here. 44. So let me also specify. I did not, you get to pick your budget. So I wanted to see what maybe they had. I told them I didn't require a budget. So they could have sent me expensive stuff or cheap stuff. It was up to them. I literally said, you can put in a comment box like what may be your preferences, if you want to receive all jeans, all dresses, all shirts, all purses, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. I literally put, surprise me. I did it for you guys. But this shirt is super cute, but the price, I just don't feel like, how much did I say this one was? 44. I just don't feel like this is worth $44. I mean, it's just a black cotton shirt. Alright, and here are the jeans. They're skinny jeans with, oh, that is, I don't know if I'm digging that. See how the bottom is like not even? They're kind of cute. I'm going to try these on. How much were these? $58. Alright, what else we got in here? A box. Whatever could be in the box. What's falling off the... That is cute. It's all jacked up, but it's cute. So it's just like a layered necklace. Gold, but this part is gray. The little stone is gray. That is so cute. I love that. 34. So I could keep this and it would only be 15 or 14. I can't do math. I'm too excited. I do really like this. Alright, so I've already paid the $20. So if I were to keep everything in here, if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount. So the prices that I gave you will actually be 25% off. So if I keep everything in the box, my total will be $158.50 for a necklace, a cardigan with a little leather detail, 2 shirts, and a pair of jeans. $158. Well, I'll have to try everything on. But I think this is just the absolutely coolest thing because you're surprised every month. And I gotta be honest with you, Stitch Fix, you nailed my style. So that was really cool. And they give you all these little personalized details. Like they give you outfit ideas on how to wear the pieces. They give you, they're very clear about how much each thing costs. It tells you that in order to get the 25% off, you must keep all items. Then there's this cute little card in here that tells you what you need to know. So it says, number 1, discover and decide. Try on all 5 items your stylist selected for you. Pair them with your favorites from your closet and use the enclosed style card for outfit inspiration. You might be surprised by what you like once you try everything on. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Then 2, it asks you to share your thoughts. So it asks you to go on Stitch Fix within 3 days of receiving the shipment to complete your return survey. Rate your items, confirm payment for what you're keeping, and tell us what you're sending back. And then it says number 3, send it back. Keeping all 5 items, great. You can skip this step. If you have items to return, simply place them in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag and drop it at any USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 business days. So this is just so cool. I will leave a link down below. If you guys choose to try Stitch Fix out, please use my link because I get a little something something. I think I get like a credit on my account or something for everyone that uses my link. So if you do it, please use my link. Thank you. All right, my loves. I got a ball game to go to. Yes, another ball game. Last home game. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We might be having a super huge giveaway coming up. I will link the current giveaway video with this one. As always, have a wonderful day. Bye, my loves.